The hair on the left is what she walked in with. The hair on the right is what she walked out with. She had waited way too long to get her touch-up and her hair had started to break. I believe it's from wearing the cap, but I was able to turn everything around. We used Olaplex, we used bond builders, we used bond multipliers, we used collagen, we double bleached her. And then in between all of that, I gave her a keratin treatment and I toned her. I sent her home with our nourishing lipid serums. When you go in to bleach the hair, it gets into that cortex layer and it destroys everything around the pigments, including the lipids. And the lipids are our hair's natural oils inside the hair strand, right? And our nourishing lipid serum mimics the hair's natural lipids. It's 100% organic. It improves the elasticity. And even if she doesn't keep her touch-ups on time, it'll keep her hair from breaking. I also sent her home with our B3 shampoo, conditioner, and hair mask. That will keep her toner intact and her hair a beautiful silvery platinum blonde. I'll leave a link below so you can see the full hair color transformation video. You want to see this thing start to finish. You can buy all of the products that I use on my clients on our platform at beautywellnesshaircare.com.